Hi and welcome. In today's video, I want to talk about my 6 income streams I'm currently building. I'm not going to lie, I'm still at the very beginning. And I was thinking a lot if I should make this video because most people are interested in seeing already 5-6 figures. But everyone started from zero at some point, and I was thinking, why waiting until I'm super successful and then document it and just be brave and talk about my numbers? I actually think it's pretty hard to build several income streams, especially at the same time. And I was thinking, should I start with just building one and then once this is established, continue with the next one? But then I thought I'm wasting all this time where things can build, and because things are taking quite a while, I would miss out on all this time building something. So yeah, I'm building all these income streams at the same time, and I feel it's quite slow, but things are moving, and hopefully in a year's time, these figures look very different. But then I thought it's quite cool to have a video where I just started and, share how I feel and what it is like to just get started, so you have a bit of a comparison. So if you're interested to following along my income streams, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video so more people can see it. Okay, let's get started. At the end of this video, I will also tell you what my occupation is. And it's basically also an income stream of mine because I'm still at the very beginning. So I am doing freelance work and it contributes to my overall income at the moment. So the first income stream I want to talk about is Etsy. And if you have followed my channel, you know that I'm pretty much talk about Etsy all the time. That's because it's kind of my main income stream right now. That basically means it's my biggest income stream. And I'm creating digital products for the productivity space. So it takes me quite a while to create all these products because they're more or less from scratch. Also, it's not only creating those products, I'm doing regular research and things around it to improve my SEO and to improve my shop overall. So I'm actually about 9 months into my Etsy journey and my revenue is approximately $1,700. So my second income stream is actually a Shopify website. So basically my own website. I started my own website a little bit later than my Etsy shop, but basically I'm selling the same digital products I sell on Etsy. My Shopify shop is about 6 months old at the moment, and I also don't have all the products on my website yet. I think I have about 200 digital products in my Etsy shop, and that's excluding duplicates. And on my Shopify website, it's about 80 products. I definitely want to focus more on my Shopify website, but the thing is you have to drive your own traffic. And that again takes quite a bit of time. So I do drive a little bit of traffic through Pinterest. This is, I think, my main social media channel where I use Pinterest to drive traffic to my website. And then obviously you can do things with SEO, so you are found by search on Google, for example. When I started my Etsy shop, I actually started creating pins, driving traffic to my Etsy shop. But once I had my website set up, I created pins to drive traffic to my website rather than my Etsy shop. And fun fact, the viral pin on Pinterest, which I talked about in another video, is actually also the most visited product on my website. There is something about this product people really like. So at the moment, I make around $100 from my Shopify website, which is definitely quite low. But one of my goals is to set up a proper TikTok profile for my digital products. Again, very time consuming. It's in the pipeline. I just have to start doing it. My third income stream is YouTube. And actually I have 2 YouTube channels, and this YouTube channel doesn't make me any money so far in terms of AdSense. So that's very new. I think I'm about 2-3 months into this channel, but ultimately I do want to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours to get monetized. If you want to help me with that, make sure to subscribe to this channel and watch my videos. But I do have another YouTube channel, which is actually already 3 years old. I feel like that's quite a long time. But I started making videos about personal finance. And then about a year into that, I actually moved countries. And then I changed the content entirely. By that time, I actually wasn't monetized yet. I didn't reach my 1,000 subscribers after a year. So only when I changed content, then my channel grew. And I have about 7,500 subscribers right now. But AdSense is still quite low for this channel and probably stays quite low until, I really grew it to a certain number. But I only really make around $100 on that channel from AdSense. Another income stream are sponsorships. And again, this one is still quite low for me. I have done a few sponsorships with my other YouTube channel and also a little bit with my Instagram. There's two things to sponsorships. One is like getting paid for your content and the other one is getting free products. The free product side was a bit bigger than the getting paid one, but at the moment I earn around $100 per month with sponsorships. And then obviously here on this channel, I want to do sponsorships as well. So this is just a growing income stream for me. Another income stream is actually KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, where you can publish notebooks or coloring books or stuff like that, low content books on Amazon. And this is something I started quite a while back in September 2020. But I have to say I started with zero research. I just started to create a lot of notebooks with different covers, lined books, basically very low content books. But I didn't really know what people are searching for. So my initial start with this was very poor. And you can actually see that none of my notebooks really sell. I mean, I occasionally get a sale here and there. And then in October 2022, I gave it another push. I did a little bit more research. I created the books, which actually were not just notebooks. They were more like still low content books, but it did take me a little bit of time to actually create them. And I think it's just a handful of books I actually created because it took me quite a while. But basically now I have one KDP book, which almost sells every day. But yeah, in total, I only have 85 KDP books so far from, when I started in September 2020, and most of them, the SEO is just really poor. But for me, I'm not doing anything to these old books. If I really want to improve, I would create new books. But at the moment, I'm not concentrating on KDP, but I'm also not really giving up on it because I have seen a little bit of success with it. So I just have to see where I really focus my energy on, my time, and then see if at some point I go back to KDP, do my research and create some more low content books. But yeah, the structure is a little bit different. I do create digital files, which I then upload to Amazon. And when someone buys a book, for example, Amazon would actually print it and then ship it to the customer. So it's not really that I can use my own books for somewhere else, for example, on my own website. So it kind of lives on Amazon. And how much I'm making every month, it's about $50 per month. I know it's really, really low, but I want to be really honest with you and I'm revealing my numbers and hopefully they will increase. Although with KDP, I really don't know if I will continue it, but I haven't done anything since October 2022, basically, and it provides me with $50 each month and I don't have to do anything. I just take it. Another income stream is affiliate marketing. And again, I'm actually quite new to affiliate marketing. I know a bit about it, but I haven't really used it. I started really using it with this channel, and my channel is only like 2-3 months old. And I think affiliate marketing is quite a numbers game. So when my community is growing, then there is a better chance to actually use affiliate links, talk about products I really like, and then see if anyone is interested in like buying or subscribing to these products. So I get a commission because there is no extra cost for the person who buys it or who subscribes to it, but I get a little commission and could earn potentially some money. But yeah, I have started and I get around $10 per month from affiliate marketing. Woohoo! Woohoo! Well, last but not least, I want to talk about my last income stream, which is not very passive or has anything to do with digital products, but it is basically my freelance work I'm doing. I'm basically a data analyst. So I take on projects and I normally work around a week and a half, and I get $1,600 for my work. Sometimes I take on more projects, sometimes less, so I can work on all the other income streams. It really depends, but I feel like it's interesting work and I can make extra money. But yeah, in total, I would say I make around $3,660 per month. Of course, I still have to pay taxes on that, but yeah, you have to start from somewhere, and this is where I am right now. Everything is work in progress at the moment, and if you're interested in following along, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. I know it doesn't look like much at the moment, but hopefully this will grow and I will update you regularly. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!